Today we're going to make one of the easiest desserts. It takes all of 3 ingredients if you buy a ready-made crust. You'll start with a ready-made graham cracker crust, 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, and 3/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. That's it. What you want to do is you're going to empty both cans of sweetened condensed milk into the bowl. And we'll just speed through this so you don't have to watch. Then about half the lemon juice, whisk it in, then the other half. And you'll see, look how nice and thick it became, like a pudding. What happens is the acid in the lemon juice works with the proteins in the milk and thickens it. Beautiful, right? It's not quite as sour as a lemon meringue pie, but has a fresh, sweet lemon flavor. So now what you want to do is you want to get your pie crust. You can either buy one already made or you can make one. Then what you're going to do is just simply pour it in. What I do is, because I'm a little OCD about these things, I like to be able to scrape the bowl. So just get a spatula and dump it in. And it should fill it just about completely. Might bubble up a little bit, but it's really smooth. Now what you're going to do with this is get it nice and smooth. Put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Now if you want a frozen dessert, put it in the freezer. Get it nice and solid in the freezer, and you let it rest on the counter for about 10 minutes before you serve it if you freeze it. Otherwise, see, I'm just smoothing the top a little bit because, well, it's me. And then that's it. I'm going to put it in the fridge and have it ready for tomorrow's dessert. Perfect. And see, it does hold shape, as you can see from the little dollop. And that is your pie. Super easy. No oven required, just a refrigerator and 3 ingredients. Enjoy!